Tonight I'm going to show you how to make some drinks using ginger beer. So you probably all know the Moscow Mule, which is made with vodka and ginger beer. You might not have heard of, though, the Kentucky Mule, which is made with bourbon and ginger beer, or the Mexican Mule, which is made with tequila and ginger beer. Tonight we're going to make the Moscow Mule, but as I've just mentioned, you can make variations of the Mule using different alcohol. So let's get started on a Moscow Mule. So we're going to fill our mug with ice. And then we're going to add 1.5 ounces of vodka. And we're going to top it off with some ginger beer. And you'd want to garnish that with a lime. And there's your Moscow Mule. So next I'm going to show you how to make a different drink called Aloe Ginger Beer. So to do that, we're going to take our glass and fill it with ice. And then we're going to add 1.5 ounces of gin. And then we're going to top that off with some aloe vera and some ginger beer. And then you would garnish that with some fresh ginger and some lemon. So there you have 2 drinks featuring ginger beer. Cheers!